Hello, I'm gonna make this Parmesan garlic chicken, and I give YouTubers a lot of credit that film recipes. Hopefully it will get better. I need to like get a tripod or something too. I was just trying to figure out how to film while I'm cooking. Man, this is a little more complicated than what I thought. So I have my cast iron pan going. I have it at a like 5, and I am cutting up, I'm gonna cube up 2 chicken breasts. All right, I have the 2 chicken breasts cubed up, and I am going to brown them. I use butter. I use probably like 2 tablespoons of butter. All right, I semi figured out how to do I need to get like a taller tripod or something here. But Mr. B says to start filming and then just keep 1%, keep getting better at your videos. So anyway, this recipe, I don't measure on a lot of my recipes very much. So paprika. Sprinkle on some paprika. Salt. Pepper. Garlic powder. Onion powder. I don't know if that's coming out. Coming out a little bit there. Sometimes the spices get a little stuck there. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna keep cooking this. That's what I add in for spices for this recipe. This is a super yummy recipe. Actually, my kids love this. I'll be back. Okay, it's almost done here. I am gonna add this Parmesan garlic sauce. I don't really know a full amount. If it'll come out here. Or not, I might even add more. And I mix her up. And look, we got some nice macaroni and cheese, homemade macaroni and cheese that my daughter made. And that is cooking really nice. I like that. So I'm going to the oven. I set the oven at 400, and I am going to pop this in the oven here. Nice thing about cast iron is you can, there we go, in there. You can put your cast iron in the oven. That's another thing I love about cast iron. You don't have to worry about it melting or anything. So sometimes I cook with my I got a stainless steel pan. That one I don't pop in the oven, and then I'll transfer it to a cookie sheet with foil on it, and then I'll pop it in. So I pop it in at 400 for 10 minutes. All right, it's time. All done. We're going to get this out. All right, there it is, the Parmesan chicken. My daughter made homemade macaroni and cheese. There's a broccoli salad. I usually serve a lot of my meals with broccoli. You can also have this with rice. That's a good one, or like veggies. And then I made myself an adult watermelon smoothie to enjoy.